Today, we are going to show you the basic functions and keys of your Fusion Apollo MS-RA770 and MS-RA670 marine stereos. The Fusion Apollo MS-RA670 and MS-RA770 have similar functions and features. For this video, we are using a MS-RA770. To begin, touch the power button in the lower left corner for 2 seconds to power on the device. Once you reach the main screen, turn the dial to adjust the volume or scroll through the zones. Here, you can select your desired zone and adjust its volume independently. Tapping the source button located in the bottom left of the screen allows you to access and select your available audio sources, like AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. In the source menu, we can select the preferred source. Selecting the source will take you back to the main screen and reflect your choice. Tapping the menu button brings us to the device's menu, where we can use the dial to scroll through the menu items. You can either tap the screen if you have the Apollo 770 or press the dial to make a selection on all other devices. Pressing the forward and back buttons will change your radio stations, or change the track playing if using Bluetooth or AirPlay modes. The play-pause button is available in the Bluetooth and AirPlay modes. Pressing this button will pause and play the media. Tapping the tuner mode button while using the AM and FM source cycles through the auto, manual, and preset modes. Pressing and holding the preset button will save the current station as a preset. There must be more than one preset in order to use the forward and back buttons to cycle through presets. Manual mode will allow you to change the tuner station from the existing frequency to the next sequential frequency. Auto mode will scan and stop on the next available frequency. Information at the top of the screen includes your audio source or current menu page, device name, network settings, and zone volume control. Other icons may become available depending upon your system setup. Tapping the power button quickly once will mute the stereo. Tapping it again will unmute. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power off the stereo. If the stereo is in a group, you will receive a power off confirmation screen to power down the entire audio system. After each use, it is a good practice to wipe down the stereo with a slightly damp, clean, soft, lint-free rag to prevent buildup on the touchscreen. Do not use any chemicals, solvents, or soap to clean the unit. Once the stereo is clean, cover it with its dust cover to protect it from debris and environment when not in use. And that's it. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.